So good morning, my class 6. Here we are in the session of computer, and now from today onwards we are going to start chapter number 4, which is about tables in Word 2010. So far we have discussed so many things in class 6 computer, and we have seen several kind of tools, internet terminologies, what is computer, how can it is be useful, and I have taught you about the flow diagram also. So now it's time to emphasize some practical work also, how you can deal with any word processing tool, any word processing software. So now we are going to start MS Word tables in Word 2010. Yes students, if I talk about that, the significances or the importance of table. So table is being used in every aspect of our life. Whenever you want to store any kind of data in row and column field, then we must use the tables. Am I right? जब भी हमें कुछ भी रो और कॉलम के अंदर डेटा को स्टोर करना होता है, कुछ भी हमें डेटा लिखना होता है, so what we use is tables. So relating to that thing, if we are working on digital documentation, that means we are designing any kind of Word file, we are designing any kind of PDF file. So if what you will do if you want to add any kind of table, what will you do if you want to interpret your data, your information in the form of tables? So then you will use what? Tables tool. Okay, so here we are going to start our chapter number 4. So you have learned to create, edit and format text and add objects in your document to make them illustrative. Illustrative means what? ताकि वो ज्यादा और भी ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेटिव लगे, है ना। जब भी हम किसी वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर वर्क करते हैं तो हमने देखा है कि हम उसको क्रिएट कैसे कर सकते हैं, एडिट कैसे कर सकते हैं और टेक्स्ट को फॉर्मेट कैसे कर सकते हैं. Let us now learn to represent information in tabular format. Yes beta, now we are going to emphasize on tabular format. That means we are going to arrange in it the form of rows and column. Okay, Word allows not only to add tables but also offers many features to work with content of a table. ऐसा नहीं है कि केवल बस हम टेबल के ऊपर वर्क करने वाले, हमने क्या किया बस रो लगाई, कॉलम लगाए और उसके अंदर डेटा फिल आउट कर दिया. नो, it is beyond that also. So what is table? Table are used to organize the information in the form of rows and column. Once again I am repeating the same thing, is that you are going to deal with rows and column, and if you will organize rows and column and you will organize your information with using this, so this will be known as tables. Okay, rows and columns intersect each other to form rectangular blocks called cell. और जब rows और column आपस में जो rectangular box बनाती है मिलके, तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? cells. CELLS, cells. Okay, so here you can see on your screen that name, class, marks and grade are the columns, and here you can see Arjun, Rayan, Geeta, Sonia, 5th B, 5th C and etc. are the rows. Okay, and here if you will combine row and column, then this will be referred as cell. Mark my point, this will be referred as cell. Now we are going to understand how we can create a table, how you can create a table. So Word 2010 offer different method to create tables in a document. So let us learn two of them. The very first method is that click on insert tab. Okay, what you need to do is you need to click on insert tab, then you will click on table icon. You will click on table icon, a grid of cells will appear. What do you mean by grid? Grid is a kind of boxes, the square boxes. Okay, so grid are the boxes. So where you can find the grid. Then in number third, move the pointer across the grid to select rows and column. And now देखिए, अगर आप स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं तो देखिए आपको क्या दिख रहा है कि बहुत सारी ग्रिड है, यानी कि स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस हैं. यहां से हम सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि हाउ मेनी रोज वी वांट टू इंसर्ट एंड हाउ मेनी कॉलम वी वांट टू इंसर्ट. ओके, क्लिक इन द लास्ट सेल ऑफ द सेलेक्टेड ग्रिड ऑफ सेल्स टू इंसर्ट द टेबल. जब भी हमने सेलेक्ट कर लिया कि हाँ भाई मुझे 2-3 रोज लेनी है, 4 कॉलम्स लेने हैं, सो हियर आई कैन फाइंड आउट. ओके, एंड नंबर सेकंड मेथड इज क्लिक ऑन इंसर्ट टैब. वही वापस से इंसर्ट टैब पर क्लिक करना है. क्लिक ऑन टेबल. यस, नाउ वी हैव टू क्लिक ऑन टेबल. Select insert table option. The insert table dialog box will appear. डायलॉग बॉक्स क्या होता है? जब एक छोटी सी विंडो खुलती है ना, हल्की सी छोटी सी विंडो, तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? डायलॉग बॉक्स। तो जब आप इंसर्ट टेबल पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहां पर आप देखेंगे कि एक इंसर्ट टेबल आ रखा है। इंसर्ट टेबल पे जैसे ही आपने क्लिक किया, नाउ यू कैन फाइंड अ स्मॉल डायलॉग बॉक्स व्हिच इज अलाउइंग अस सेवरल फीचर्स। ओके, देन वी आर गोइंग टू क्लिक एंटर द नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम रिक्वायर्ड इन द टेबल। So how many number of column you want to add? You can specify here. How much rows you want to insert? You can specify here, or you can also just click on this arrows also. Okay, so this is how you can insert a table in your document, and then you will click on OK, and the table will be inserted in your document. Okay, now what we are going to understand? We are going to understand how we can enter values in the table. So after creating a table, we enter data values in the cell. Obviously, if we have created a table, then we will enter some data into it. The very obvious thing. Okay. So click in the cell where you want to enter the data. A blinking cursor will appear in it. So supposingly, students, if I want to enter data here in this Hindi column, then I will click on it. Simply, I will click on it and the cursor will blink. Okay, and then you can type the cell values, whatever the value you want to give, you can type here. Step number 3, use arrow keys to move to the next cell. You can even click in the required cell directly. So there are the two methods for going next cell is that you can use the arrow key from your keyboard, or you can just simply click from the mouse. Okay, so here is the practice time. Create a table in Word having 5 columns and 6 rows. Here are the assignment, and now enter the information it has shown below and save the above document as my first table. तो चलिए इसको करके देखते हैं. I am going to share my screen, और यही वाला जो सेम टेबल है मैं आप लोगों को प्रैक्टिकली करके दिखाता हूं, so you can better understand it. Okay, so how many of you are excited to understand how I am going to practically implement it? Give me your consent. So here is my desktop, as you can see on your screen. So now where you can find Microsoft Word, you will have to click on this start button, and if it is already installed in it, so you can find here in Microsoft Office, and if I will click on this Microsoft Office, then it will lead me to the Microsoft Office Word. Okay, so it is not very different version in 2007 and 2010. So whatever the tools and whatever the insertion point I am going to tell you is the same in the context of tables in Microsoft Word. Okay, so here is on your screen, you can see the Microsoft Word interface. Here you can find home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, reviews, and views. Okay, so for that I need to click on insert. Here it is. Here you will find table. So the table, what we need to do is we need to add 5 columns and 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are our columns, and how much rows we want? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you can see on your screen 5 multiplied by 6 table. Okay, here I have entered it. Now the first assignment has done 5 columns and 6 rows. Okay, the next assignment is that we need to create a table in which name and age will be what? Column, and we need to fill the data. So once again I am clicking on this insert tab. Here the table, here you will find insert table on your screen. When you will find insert table, a small dialog box has opened. Now I will click the number of columns to 2 and the number of rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say 5. Here you can see. Okay. Now I can resize it also. Here you can see, just like this. I can resize it. I can move it to my screen accordingly. Okay. Getting my point or not, beta? Here I will write name, and if I will simply click here, then I can also write it, or I can move it from the arrow cursor also. So here Kamal 75 and Rohan 85, Kavita 65, Manish 90, and Vaibhav to 84. What if I need to change its font? So I will click on home, I will select it all, then I am changing its font style. I can change the size here from 16 as you can see in your screen, and if I want to bold it, then I will click on it and here it will be bold. Okay, so here you can see that a table has been inserted and we have also created its cells value also. So hope you have understood this in a very decent manner. Okay, now we are going to enter the next topic. Here it is. So inserting rows or columns. How we can insert more rows and more columns? Here we will see. So sometimes we need to add more columns or rows in an existing table. Okay, so how we can insert a new column? Select the cell where you want to insert a new column and click on Table Tools Layout tab. So मान लीजिए कि अगर आपको एक नई इंसर्ट करनी है कॉलम, सो देखिए टेबल जैसे अपनी टेबल पे वर्क करते हैं आप देख सकते हैं कि लेआउट नाम का टैब और ओपन हो जाता है। यहाँ पर आपको लेआउट टैब में जाकर के क्या करना है, इंसर्ट लेफ्ट, इंसर्ट राइट, जो भी आपका मर्जी करे, जहां पर भी आपको नया कॉलम, मार्क माय पॉइंट, इफ यू वांट टू इंसर्ट अ न्यू कॉलम देन यू कैन इंसर्ट बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन इंसर्ट लेफ्ट और बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन इंसर्ट राइट. ओके, and what if you need to insert a new row? So if you need to insert a new row, select the cell where you want to insert a new row and click on the table tools layout. Once again you need to click on tables tools. Table tools से आप क्या करेंगे, इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको इंसर्ट अबव करना है रोज और अगर आपको इंसर्ट बिलो करना है, so yes you can do according to you. Okay, here you can see. So I think this is enough for today's class and we have studied how we can create a table, how we can insert its value, how we can insert a new row, how we can insert a new column to left to right, or we can insert a new row from bottom or top. Okay, so in the upcoming classes we are going to understand how we can select a cell and how we can delete it, we can merge it, we can resize it, and we can split it also. So hope you have understood and hope you have enjoyed this session. So take care students.